Hi friends, Namaste, welcome back to Balayogi channel. This is Hariharan here. So today we'll be discussing about importance of yoga practice in the times of pregnancy. So let's see what are the benefits. So the first one is when you start practicing yoga, it helps on the physical aspect. Okay, this is especially for the mother. So it helps on the physical aspect. So what it does is it keeps the mother flexible. It helps in keeping your energy level high. And then what happens is it will regularize your hormone secretions, because during pregnancy there will be a lot of hormones which will be secreting, and to regularize the hormonal secretion we need to practice yoga. Then the next one is in the second trimester. What happens is when the fetus starts growing, the body weight starts increasing, right? So when that happens, the mother starts getting leg pain, knee pain, ankle pain. So to avoid these pain, we must start practicing yoga. And the main, back pain, right? So most of the women in India face back pain in the time of pregnancy. The next, for the third trimester, when it comes to the physical aspect, what it happens is the flexibility of the body becomes less if you are not practicing yoga. So regularly start practicing yoga and keep on walking as much as possible. This is the best tip to have normal delivery. Then what happens in the final trimester is the legs starts getting numb, it starts paining. So to avoid all these problems, we must practice yoga. Next, what happens in the mental level? Since there's a lot of secretion in the hormones, there will be imbalance in the emotion. What happens is sometimes you will be angry, sometimes you'll be a little bit anxious, sometimes it is happy. So to regularize the mood of the mother in the first trimester, we need to practice yoga, because yoga helps in the emotional level, it helps in the mental level. That is the reason we must practice yoga, not only for the physical aspect, even for the mental aspect. Coming on to the second trimester, what happens is your taste buds, your entire digestive system completely changes. You may not eat the regular foods which you like. You will start avoiding certain foods which you liked, right? So all these creates a mental turbulence. So that is the reason, to get it into calm and understand the changes which is taking place in the body, we must practice yoga in the second trimester. Then when we come to third trimester, once you sit down and start meditating, start visualizing how your pregnancy delivery is going to be. Okay, so visualization has a lot of enormous power. So it will be happening as you visualize. So that is the reason meditation, observing your breath, getting your mind calm, and then regularizing your entire system of your body will be helpful when you practice yoga. And then, not last but the least, practicing yoga helps for the fetus also, because from the second trimester, from fourth to fifth month, it will start hearing. So probably you can even start feeling the kicks in your womb. That is the reason it will start recording whatever you say, whatever you hear, all the things starts recording in the fetus. So remember to feed good positive stuff. So that is what you sow and that is what you reap. That is the reason yoga helps in all the aspects of your life during pregnancy period. So to practice more, get on to the instructor directly. Do not watch on videos on YouTube or any other social media platform. Why? Because you might be having some or the other problems which will be again an issue for that. That is the reason. Connect directly to the instructor, give him all your reports, and ask specific practices. That is when you will have an amazing difference and the baby will be healthy. So start practicing yoga from the day one you know that you are going to conceive. So always practice yoga not only on physical aspect but on the mental aspect, which is very main. So start practicing dharana dhyana, which is teaching yourself and teaching the fetus a good education, because what you teach now is what is going to come out in the future, right? So start practicing yoga. To know more, you can also ping me, you can ask me more, we can get connected and enjoy the period of your pregnancy. Okay, have a smile always on your face, enjoy the term. So this is an event. So enjoy every moment of pregnancy, practice yoga, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay fit. Thank you. Have a good day.